In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your Mailchimp profile settings. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Let's dive right in. First, you'll want to log into your Mailchimp account. Once you're in, look up at the top right corner of the screen. You'll see your profile icon there. Go ahead and click on that. This will open up a menu for you to choose from. Look for the option that says Account and Billing and click on it. This takes you to your account settings, where you can manage various aspects of your profile. Now that you're on the account page, you'll notice a section on the left side with a list of different options. What you want is the Settings drop-down. Go ahead and click on that, and it will expand to reveal several settings options. The one we're focusing on today is Contact Information. So go ahead and click on Contact Information. After you've clicked that, you'll be taken to a new page displaying all your contact details. Here, you will see different sections for profile information, primary account contact, and audiences in this account. Each of these sections allows you to edit specific details regarding your Mailchimp account. To make any edits, simply look for the Edit button associated with the section you wish to change. You might find an Edit button next to Profile Information if you want to update your name or email. If you're adjusting the primary account contact, that's where you might change who the main contact is for your account. And if you want to manage the audiences connected to your Mailchimp account, you can do that in the Audiences in this account section. Once you've clicked on the Edit button for the section you're interested in, it will allow you to enter the new information. Make sure to enter everything accurately, especially your email and contact information, as these are crucial for account notifications and updates. After making your changes, look for the Save button. This is typically found at the bottom or top right of the page. Don't forget to click it. Saving your changes is essential, otherwise all your updates might disappear and you'll have to start over again. And there you have it. You've successfully navigated through Mailchimp to change your profile settings. There's nothing complicated about it. It just takes a few moments to ensure that everything is up to date. If you haven't already done so, take this opportunity to double-check all your settings and make sure that the information you want to keep updated is current. This will not only help you stay organized, but will also make your Mailchimp experience much smoother as you manage your email campaigns. Thank you for watching this video on how to change your Mailchimp profile settings. If you found this information helpful, don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials like this one. Like the video if you enjoyed it, and let me know in the comments if there are any other topics you'd like me to cover.